Okay, mga Nino, of course, please give you akit na po kayo sa stage.
Move nyo lang ito pag dito. Move nyo lang pag dito.
And pakikuha na lang po ang mga regalo ninyo from the parents, mga kumare at kumpare niya. Tigisa po kayo. Okay, asa po yung mga ibang Nino or representative? Yes, pati mga representative po para makuha nyo rin po yung token. Yan.
Lapit ko na to. Lapit ko.
May naman po ulo ng lechon po yan. Okay, wala na po ba? Ako mukhang busy yung mga karamihan sa mga Nino. Representative. Okay, wala na ata. Okay, let's take a picture. Sabahan po mga Nino. Ayan. And of course, message. Pakibigay ang microphone. Yes, sir. I think, nag-volunteer ka. Sige po, Nina.
So, to Robson, first of all, good afternoon to all of us. And I want to thank the parents for choosing me as one of his godparents. So, thank you for trusting me. Kasi it's also a responsibility. It's not just it's just not just the gifts or or being present here. Kasi it's a lifetime obligation also to Robson. So I just want to say to Robson that I wish that when you grow up, so you always find God in your heart in every decision that you will make. And also to your parents, I hope that I know that God would guide them in your journey in life. And everything is changing kasi in this world, diba? Daming nagbabago. Social media is giving us a lot of information. Parenting is becoming challenging year after year, every generation. There's no perfect formula in parenting. So yeah, I just wish that they will be guided by the teachings and the core values that Jesus has brought into this world. And I'm sure kahit na magbabago pa yung mga situations natin sa mundo, mga lifestyle natin, mga ideologies natin, as long as we have God in the center, then it will be a good environment for Robson. So I hope also that lahat tayo dito would create a very healthy environment para lumaki, not only Robson, but to all the kids around us. Yun lang po para sa akin. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Palakpakan naman po si Ninong for a very meaningful message. Daddy ka na rin? Okay. I guess, okay. I'm sure you'll be a very good daddy in the future. How about the other Ninong? May idadagdag pa po ba kayo? Okay na daw? Sir, baka may re-request ka kay daddy or kay kumpare. Nasabi na daw lahat. Ayan, sinabi mo kasi lahat, Nino. Okay, palakpakan po natin ang tatlong Nino nang nandirito po. Thank you so much. And of course, thank you so much for accepting your responsibility para maging second daddy din ni Robson Chris. As godparents, you have accepted the roles and responsibilities of being baby Robson's light and guide as he grows so that he will become the person that God plans him to be. So